Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Vocabulary Intermediate Level Quiz. Which of the following sentences uses the word abundant correctly? The abundant rain made the roads slippery. The abundant car was very expensive. She abandoned her job to start her own business. The abundant rain made the roads slippery. What does benevolent mean? Unkind and selfish. Kind and generous. Angry and upset. Kind and generous. Which sentence correctly uses the word consequence? The consequence of the heavy snow was school closures. I consequenced my old car for a new one. The consequence was very delicious. The consequence of the heavy snow was school closures. What does diverse mean? Similar and identical. Showing a great deal of variety, very different. Uninteresting and dull. Showing a great deal of variety, very different. Which sentence correctly uses the word enhance? The spices will enhance the flavor of the dish. I enhance my car every morning. The enhance was very loud. The spices will enhance the flavor of the dish. What does fluctuate mean? To remain stable and unchanging. To vary irregularly, to rise and fall unpredictably. To increase steadily. To vary irregularly, to rise and fall unpredictably. Which sentence correctly uses the word gratuitous? The gratuitous violence in the movie was off-putting. I gratuitous my old clothes to charity. The gratuitous was very tasty. The gratuitous violence in the movie was off-putting. What does hinder mean? To help or assist. To create or invent. To obstruct or delay. To obstruct or delay. Which sentence correctly uses the word imminent? The imminent storm forced us to cancel our plans. I imminent a new recipe for dinner. The cake was very imminent. The imminent storm forced us to cancel our plans. What does jeopardize mean? To protect or safeguard. To put at risk or in danger. To ignore or neglect. To put at risk or in danger. Which sentence correctly uses the word kinetic? The kinetic energy of the moving car was very high. I kinetic my old books to the library. The kinetic was very sweet. The kinetic energy of the moving car was very high. What does lethargic mean? Energetic and lively. Slow and apathetic, lacking energy. Angry and upset. Slow and apathetic, lacking energy. Which sentence correctly uses the word meticulous? She was meticulous in her work, checking every detail. I meticulous my old clothes. The meticulous was very loud. She was meticulous in her work, checking every detail. What does novel mean? Old and outdated. New and original. Common and typical. New and original. Which sentence correctly uses the word obsolete? The obsolete machinery was replaced with modern equipment. I obsolete my old car. The obsolete was very tasty. The obsolete machinery was replaced with modern equipment. What does pervasive mean? Limited and restricted. Spreading widely throughout an area or a group of people. Uncommon and rare. Spreading widely throughout an area or a group of people. Which sentence correctly uses the word quandary? She was in quandary about whether to accept the job offer. I quandary my old furniture. The quandary was very good. She was in quandary about whether to accept the job offer. What does redundant mean? Necessary and essential. Not or no longer needed or useful, superfluous. New and innovative. Not or no longer needed or useful, superfluous. Which sentence correctly uses the word scarcity? The scarcity of water was a serious problem in the desert region. I scarcity my old clothes. The scarcity was very loud. The scarcity of water was a serious problem in the desert region. What does tangible mean? Abstract and intangible. Perceptible by touch, clear and definite, real. Imaginary and unreal. Perceptible by touch, clear and definite, real.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.